Good morning, my lovely children. Good morning. Good morning to all. How are you? Well and good? Fine. I welcome you all to our English class. Which class? English class. Yes, this is our English class of Standard 1. Okay? I welcome you all to the English class of Standard 1. And I know you all are excited. For what? For your new class, new books and copies, new friends, isn't it? Yes, I know you all are very much excited. I am also excited. I am also excited to meet you all. Yes, I am waiting to meet you all. And this is our first class, isn't it? This is our first class. But I'm very excited to meet you all. So today I don't want to read or write anything. I don't want. But then what to do? What to do? Think of it. Let us do something else. Now, I am going to show you something. Okay? I will show you something and you have to think, guess, what is that? Okay? Now, can you see? Can you see this picture? Yes. Now think and tell me, what is the picture about? What is the picture about? Yes, you can take your time. Yes, you all are right. This picture is about a family. About a family. Where do you live? You live with your family. I live with my family. Isn't it? We all are having family. But what is the meaning of family? Do you know? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of family? Yes. When a group of people live together and they are related to each other, that is called a family. When group of people live together and are related to each other, that is called family. Isn't it? You are also having your family. I am also having my family. Who are there in our family? Who are there? Mother, father and children. In your family, mother, father, your brother or sister and you yourself. So, in my family also, my children, my mother, my father, we are a family. Okay? So, who are in this picture? Who are in this picture? Mother, father and children. Brother and sisters. Children, brother and sister. So, mother, father and children. Here, mother, father and children are a group of people who live together and they are related to each other. Isn't it? See this picture carefully. Here, mother, father and children are there. And they all live together in a house and they are related with each other. So this is called a family. Isn't it? We all live together. You live with your parents. Isn't it? And you are related with your parents. So here in this picture also, here mother, father and children and there are there who are related together and they live together in a same house. And they are called a family. Okay? So, We all are having our family and we do many things with our family. We share many things with our family, isn't it? We share all the joy and sorrow with our family. We enjoy festivals with our family. We enjoy many functions with our family. We go on a trip with our family, isn't it? Many, many, many things. Many things we share with each other in our family. Isn't it? So you also think over it. Who are there in your family? And what are the things that you enjoy with your family? What are the things that you share with your family? Okay? Now, in our coming class, in our next class, what we are going to do, we are going to read about Aman, a boy named Aman and his family. Okay, in our next class, we are going to read about Aman and about his family. Okay, who are there in his family, what they do, how Aman enjoy in his family, everything we are going to read in our next class. So, before that, what you have to do? Just in your rough copy, you can write about your family, who are there in your family, and what things you share, how you enjoy with your family. Okay, my dear students? So, we will again meet in our next class. Till then, bye-bye.